Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower using finger, 2 colors of wool and beads. The first thing to do is to wrap the first color of wool around their finger for 20 times. Then attach needle and sew around to secure. Please watch closely as I do all of that. At this time, attach the second color of wool. Now use that very color to add the little beads one at a time. Follow closely as I do all of that. Keep attaching the beads until you get to the point where you began, then sew and secure. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead at the center where you have the opening that the finger created, to cover it and to make the flower beautiful. That's all for the design. Thank you all for watching, and I see you all in my next video.